Hazrat Jabir radiallahu anhu says, I was also included in the army of leaves, and Hazrat Abu Ubaidah was appointed our commander. We felt extremely hungry, so the sea washed off such a fish for us as we had never seen before. It was called amber. We kept on eating of it for 15 days. Hazrat Abu Ubaidah took one of its bones, ribs, and a rider with the mount passed through it. Abu Zubair narrates that he has heard Hazrat Jabir radiallahu anhu say, Hazrat Abu Ubaidah radiallahu anhu commanded to eat that. So we got in Medina. We mentioned that to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thereupon he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, eat the provisions Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has blessed you with. If you have got some of it, give it us to eat. So some of them presented that to him, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam also consumed that. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4362.